Introducing the Mrs. Vanderbilt Christmas Catalogue, your exclusive opportunity to reach a luxury-focused audience this holiday season. For years, Mrs. Vanderbilt has been a trusted name to Gilded Age and Downton Abbey fans. And now, we're launching our very first Christmas catalogue, a carefully curated guide featuring the top 100 Gilded Age gift ideas. By advertising with us, your business will be showcased across multiple channels. Our beautifully designed catalogue will be available in both print and digital formats, and will also serve as the dedicated Christmas shop page on mrsvanderbilt.com. Plus, with our targeted Facebook campaign, we're guaranteeing a reach of 350,000 people. If we don't hit that mark, we'll refund your money. Choose from our bronze, silver, gold, platinum, or diamond tiers, each offering unbeatable value and cost-effective advertising, with estimated costs per click significantly lower than traditional Google ads. And the best part? Reserve your spot today with just a 10% deposit, and pay the balance 30 days after you receive your free copy of the catalogue in the real mail. Don't miss out on this unique opportunity to connect with an engaged and discerning audience